Good morning. Am I audible and visible to all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sorry. Adjust your mat and cameras. Sit comfortably in any easy posture. Roll your shoulders back. Keep your spine straight. Gently close your eyes. Continue deep breathing. लंबा गहरा श्वास लंबा गहरा प्रश्वास आपका ध्यान पूरा अपनी श्वासों की ओर and now bring your all attention towards your breath. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Be completely grounded through your hips and thighs. Prepare your whole body and your mind for today's practice. Let go of any kind of outside distraction. Be aware of each breath of yours. इसी तरह लंबा गहरा श्वास जारी रखेंगे. As we have time left, we will start a prayer after a minute. Till then, continue deep breathing. Stay here. Be present in the moment. Let go of any kind of thought which comes to your mind, any distraction, any blockage. Let it pass with each exhale. And now, to start our class on a positive note, together we will chant one time Om, then Gayatri Mantra. Breathe in deeply. Bhuvat Swaha Tatsavitur Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Inhale and exhale. Gently open up your eyes. Namaskaram, Suprabhatam to everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Always Live Yoga. So let us start with today's practice. If there is anyone new joining in for first time, please let me know. If you have any medical condition or anything I should be aware about. I guess there is no one. So let us start with few Sukshma Vyayama. Interlace your both palms first. With inhale, stretch your arms up high. हाथों का खिंचाव पूरा ऊपर की ओर. Shoulders पूरा ऊपर. Decompress the weight from your each vertebral column by shifting the weight upwards. Keep stretching your body up from the base of your spine till your fingertips. Continue deep breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Now, open your both arms beside your shoulder. Drop your right palm down. Stretch your left arm over your head. लेफ्ट हाथ को बिल्कुल सीधा रखते हुए पूरा राइट साइड में मूव करेंगे. लुक अप. 1. Keep your fingers wide open. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Side change. 1. Spread your fingers wide open. Be aware of each part of you. Keep stretching your arm fully to the left. 3, 4, and 5. धीरे से वापस. Now place your right palm on your left knee, left palm behind your back. A gentle twist. Those who have a good flexibility can try catching the right thigh with their left palm also. Hold there. Keep turning your chest completely to the left. 1. Stay there, everyone. 2. Keep moving your left shoulder fully behind. 3, 4, and 5. धीरे से वापस. Now side change. Left palm on your right knee. Right palm behind your back. Twist your chest and torso completely to the right. If possible, you can try grabbing your left thigh with your right palm also. And look back completely. Hold here. 1. A deep opening around your chest and thoracic region. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back. Now, put your both palm behind your back. Bend your both knees. Open your feet wide and adjust your hip between your both heels here. Now drop your both knees on your left. Make sure your both knees touches the ground. Then to your right. Continue. 1, 2. Awareness on your hip joint. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Now everyone come up in Malasana. दोनों हाथ सामने. Lift your hip off the mat and keep your feet wide open. Open your thighs wide. Make namaste. Press your elbows against your inner thigh so you can keep your thighs wide open. Those who can't sit in Malasana can sit in Baddha Konasana and move the thighs up and down. Hold there, everyone. 1. दोनों में से कोई भी. 2, 3. कमर बिल्कुल सीधी. Chest open, chin slightly up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now put your both palm in front of your feet. दोनों हाथ सामने. Slowly walk forward with your palm. कमर को बिल्कुल सीधा रखेंगे. होल्ड एट द मैक्सिमम पॉइंट ऑफ स्ट्रेच. Those who can, try to touch your forehead on ground if possible. And make sure your feet are grounded. आपके पैर ना उठे. You can lift your hips slightly up, but keep the heels grounded. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Keep stretching your arms forward. Nine and 10. Slowly come back, palm in front of your feet, straight your knee, palm on your waist, and come up. And now we will go for Tadasana. Interlace your palms over your head. With inhale, lift your heels up high, arms up high. Exhale down. Breathe in. Lift your heels up high. Exhale, come down. हाथों का खिंचाव पूरा ऊपर. Come up, everyone. Three, four, and in the fifth round, hold for 10 seconds. Come up, everyone. Heels and palms up higher. 10, 9, hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. धीरे से वापस. दोनों हाथ सामने. Feet slightly open. Kati Chakrasana. Swing your arms side to side. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Now keep your feet open, palm beside your thighs. With exhale, slide your one palm down, other will come over your head. Side change. Two, three. Make sure your body falls down with the line of your leg. And if possible, touch your heel or ground. Five. ऊपर वाला हाथ कानों से ऊपर. Six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. धीरे से वापस. Now bring your feet closer. With inhale, lift your both arms up. Exhale, go fully forward. Breathe in, breathe out. श्वासों का पूरा ध्यान रखेंगे. श्वास भरते हुए ऊपर, श्वास छोड़ते हुए सामने. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale up, exhale down. धीरे से वापस. Now everyone come on top of your mat. Today we'll be practicing 12 round of sun salutation as we do on every Saturdays. So everyone keep your feet together, your palms together. With inhale, lift your both arms up. Hastottan. Breathing का proper ध्यान रखते हुए. Exhale, go fully down. Padhastasana. Those who are not able to go fully down, micro bend the knees. Now take your left leg back, drop your back knee, flat your back feet, palms grounded and gaze in front. Ashwasanchalan. Keep your fingers wide open to distribute your body weight evenly and take your right leg back. Parvatasana, feet together. Come forward in plank. सामने देखेंगे. Drop your knee. Go down as if you are going for a push-up. Chest and chin down, arms closer to body. Ashtang Namaskar. Flat your feet back. Lift your torso up. Bhujangasana. Tuck in your toes. Go back. Parvatasana. Feet together. Ears parallel to arms. Fingers wide open. Palm open in shoulder apart distance. हील्स ग्राउंडेड. अगर आपके हील्स उठे हैं तो थोड़ा सा पैरों से आगे आ सकते हैं. वॉक फ्यू इंचेस फॉरवर्ड टू प्रेस योर हील डाउन. Knees is straight and hold. 3, 4, and 5. Left feet forward between your palm. वाम अश्व संचालना. सामने देखेंगे. Right feet forward. Padhastasana. Inhale up. Hastotan. Exhale. Pranam. Pranam. Hastotan. Padhastasana. Go fully into each postures. Ashwa Sanchalan. Do not rush. एक एक या दो दो सेकंड हम हर एक आसन को देंगे. Take your right leg back in Parvat. Drop your knees, your chest and chin. Ashtang. Inhale up. Bhujang. Open up your chest. Exhale back in Parvat. 5-second hold here. Feet together. Press your scapula, your shoulder blades fully down towards your lower body. 3, 4, 5. Now your left feet forward between your palm. Vam Ashwasanchalan. Right feet forward. Padhastasana. Inhale up. Hastotan. Exhale. Pranam. Pranam. 10 rounds. Hastotan. Padhastasana. Ashwasanchalan. Parvatasana. Ashtang Namaskar. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. वाम अश्व संचालन. अब हम बिना होल्डिंग के करेंगे. पादहस्तासन. हस्तोत्तान. प्रणाम. Last 9th round. Pranam. Hastottan. Open up your chest fully. Padhastasana. Go fully forward. Left leg back in Ashwasanchalan. Right leg back. Parvat. Drop your knees, your chest and chin. Ashtang. Inhale up. Bhujang. Exhale back in Parvat. Vam Ashwasanchalan. Left feet forward. Open up your chest. सामने देखेंगे. Right feet forward. Padhastasana. Inhale up, Hastottan. Exhale, Pranam. Last eighth round with counting. One Pranam, two Hastottan, three Padhastasan, four Ashvasanchalan, five Parvat, six Ashtang, सेवन भुजंग, कंधे पूरे पीछे भुजंग आसन में, शोल्डर्स बैक. नाउ गो बैक इन पर्वत. एट, नाइन वाम अश्व संचालन. टेन पादहस्तासन. इलेवन हस्तोत्तान. ट्वेल्व प्रणाम. वन, टू, थ्री, फोर, फाइव, six, seven, eight, Parvatasana. Nine, Vam Ashvasanchalan. 10, Adhastasana. 11, Hastottan. 12, Pranam. Continue. DVG, try to go back with the left leg, and when you come forward with the left leg. That way you will cover both legs. I think you are doing with the one leg only. Ashwa Sanchalan में, ठीक है? Pranamasana, Hastottan, Padhastasana. Take your left leg back, Ashwa Sanchalan. Right leg back in Parvat. Drop your knees, your chest and chin. Ashtang. Inhale up, Bhujang. Exhale back in Parvat. Now, your left feet forward, Vam Ashva Sanchalan. Right feet forward, Padhastasan. Inhale up, Hastottan. Exhale, Pranam. Now, last fifth round, Pranam, Hastottan, Padhastasan, Ashvasanchalan, Parvatasan, Ashtang Namaskar, Bhujang. Breathe in fully up, breathe out, Parvatasan. Vam Ashvasanchalan, left feet forward. Vam bhag is our left side. Right feet forward, Padhastasan. Inhale up, Hastottan. Exhale, Pranam. Now, four more rounds are left. Take in deep breath. We will do with the Sanskrit counting now. Ekam Pranamasana. Dvi Hastottan. Treni Padhastasan. Chatvari Ashvasanchalan. Pancha Parvat. Shat Ashtang. Sapta Bhujang. Ashto Parvat. Nava Vam Ashvasanchalan. Dasha Padhastasan. Ekadasha Inhale up. Dvadasha Exhale Pranam. एकम प्रणाम, द्वे हस्तोत्तान, त्रीणि पादहस्तासन, चत्वारि अश्वसञ्चालन, पञ्च पर्वतासन, षट् अष्टांग, सप्त भुजंग, अष्टौ पर्वत, नव वाम अश्वसञ्चालन, दश पादहस्तासन, एकादश इन्हेल, द्वादश एक्सेल प्रणाम. Last third round. एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त भुजंग, अष्टौ पर्वत, नव वाम अश्वसञ्चालन, दश पादहस्तासन, एकादश इन्हेला, द्वादश प्रणाम. Second last round. एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्टौ, नव, दश. पादहस्तासन everyone. एकादश inhale up. Dwadasha exhale pranam. Now last round. Pranam asan. सभी एक साथ. हस्तोत्तान, पादहस्तासन, अश्व संचालन, पर्वतासन, अष्टांग नमस्कार, भुजंगासन, पर्वतासन, वाम अश्व संचालन, left feet forward, adhastasan, right feet forward, inhale up, hastottan, exhale, pranam. Well done, everyone. We have completed the 12 round. Now do relax with Kati Chakrasana, halka halka body swing. One, two, three, four, five. Exhale, release. Now keep your feet open for Trikonasana, triangle pose. दोनों हाथ कमर पे. We will be doing Trikonasana A and B. Turn your right toe pointing on the right side. Make sure your torso does not move on the side. Torso बिल्कुल सामने की तरफ फेस रहेगा. सिर्फ toe. And make sure that your heel and the arch of your left feet, जो लेफ्ट पैर का उठा वाला हिस्सा है, लिफ्टेड पार्ट है, वो बिल्कुल एक लाइन में रहे हील के साथ, राइट हील के साथ. Now check your alignment, everyone. Open your arms beside your shoulders. Lean to the right side as if you are catching something very far away. Then try to touch your toe. If you are not able to reach till your toe, grab your ankle or shin bone. Those who can, grab your big toe and look up towards your upper palm. Keep your fingers wide open of the left palm, engaging all the fingers here. One, two, three, four, five. हाथों का खिंचाव ऊपर की ओर. Keep stretching your arm upwards. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Now right toe in, left toe out. Torso facing in front. Lean to the left side. Make sure your shoulder fall over the knee. Grab your toe or ankle. Look up towards your upper palm. Hold there, everyone. One, two. अंजू जी हाथ थोड़ा और सर की तरफ ऊपर वाला. Three, four. Komal ji, take your shoulders back with the line of your leg. Five. Very good, Manvi ji. Stay there. Six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Slowly come back. Keep your feet open. We will do Trikonasana B now. Parivartita Trikonasana. Now turn completely to the right side. पूरा राइट साइड में टर्न हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. पीछे वाला टो हल्का सा लेफ्ट साइड में ओपन है. Make sure your torso is facing on the right, palm on your waist, elbows pointing back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, stretch your chin forward, lean forward. Drop your left palm down on the inner side of your feet. If you want to go a little bit more advanced, then on the outer side of your feet. Lift your right arm up and hold there. अगर आप पूरा palm नहीं लगा पा रहे हैं, just touch the fingertip and hold here. Front knee straight. If you have a yoga block or something, you can keep that also. Or even you can use a bottle like this. अगर हाथ नीचे नहीं पहुंच रहा है, this way. Hold up here. One, two. Alternate हाथ नीचे है. सेम पैर जो आगे है वो हाथ ऊपर है. अंबिका जी, take a position. आरती जी, जो ऊपर वाला हाथ है वो नीचे आएगा. हाँ. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. धीरे से वापस. Slowly come back. All right. Now keep your feet open again. Come up. This time, turn completely to the left. We'll do the same from the left side. पूरा left side में turn हो जाएंगे. प्रियंका जी, रचना जी, आपका आई थिंक थोड़ा सा गलत था पहले वाला. ध्यान देंगे. Turn completely to the left. Inhale, look up. Right पैर पीछे है, left पैर सामने है. Exhale, go forward. Move your right palm down. आप राइट हाथ से बॉटल या योगा ब्लॉक पकड़ सकते हैं. Those who are not able to touch the palm down. And raise your left arm up. Look up. Hold here. One, two. Very good, Sunita ji. Stay there. Three, four. Mamta ji, change the hands. Five. Correct. Six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Slowly come back and exhale. Relax. All right. अब हम कुछ बैलेंसिंग पोजेस करेंगे. Shake your legs, your arms a bit. Loosen up all the build up tension. Now, both palm on your waist. Okay, give yourself a challenge to lift your leg and straight your knee. जब आप straight करें पैर को, make sure you do not lean back. अगर ऐसा हो रहा है, keep the knee bended. Otherwise, try to straight the knee, toe in and hold here. पूरा आपको thigh पे और core पे feel होगा. You have to maintain the weight through the core muscles only. Do not lean back. Come up, everyone. One, two, 10-second hold. Three, four, 5, 6, कोमल जी पीछे जा रहे हैं आप। 7, 8, 9, 10, धीरे से वापस, shake your legs a bit. We'll do the same on other side. Okay, what you can do जब आप पीछे जा रहे हैं इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए, lift the knee up, elbows को पीछे ले जाना है, chin up, and try to move your thigh little bit towards the abdomen so that your shoulder does not lean back. Okay, come up everyone, take a position. It's completely fine, nahi ho raha hai. You can keep the knee bended. 1, come up. 2, 3, very good Ambika ji, very good Aarti ji, come up. Stay there. 3, 4, 5, come up Manvi ji. 6, थोड़ा सा रह गया है. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. धीरे से वापस. And again, shake your legs a bit. अब हम करेंगे tree pose, Vrikshasana. Okay. So you need to adjust your feet beside your thigh. तीन जगह पे आप रख सकते हैं. If you are not able to reach your feet till beside the thigh, you can keep the feet beside your knee or beside your calf. Okay. All right. Make sure knee is pointing, facing towards the side, toe pointing down, and heel is pointing towards the pelvis. Everyone, find your balance after placing your feet. Put your palm on your waist. Now, I want all of you to fix your gaze at one point. एक किसी बिंदु पे अपनी नजरों को टिका लेंगे and continuously gaze at that point. Our eyes help us to focus and maintain our balance a lot. जब आप एक जगह पे देखते रहेंगे तो बैलेंस बहुत अच्छे से बना रहता है. Open your arms beside your shoulders. धीरे धीरे मूव योर आर्म्स अप. आई की मूवमेंट को बिल्कुल स्टिल करेंगे, एक जगह पे देखते रहिए. Focus on one point. Make namaste over your head and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. पहले हाथों को नीचे लाएंगे धीरे से. Then slowly release your leg. Shake your leg a bit. All right. Side change, everyone. Take a position. जिनका बैलेंस बिल्कुल नहीं बन रहा है, एक वो फ्लैट वॉल के सामने बॉडी को बिल्कुल रख के तब आप जा सकते हैं. 1, come up everyone. 2, 3, very good Rachna ji, stay there. Very good Saroj ji, very good Sunita ji. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. पहले हाथों को नीचे लाएंगे. Then release your feet. Exhale, relax. And now everyone, दोनों पैर सामने. Sit down comfortably on your mat. आज हम योग निद्रा का अभ्यास करेंगे. So now we will do the relaxing poses only. Sit down comfortably, shake your ankles a bit. बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ देंगे पैरों को. Continue deep breathing. लंबा गहरा श्वास, लंबा गहरा प्रश्वास. Now pat your calves and thighs on ground. 1, 2, 3. सुनीता जी, कल आप पूछ रहे थे पैर जैसे स्टिफ रहते हैं, थोड़ा सुन्न हो जाते हैं, तब भी आप ये प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. दिस प्रैक्टिस हेल्प्स टू इंड्यूस द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन टुवर्ड्स द लेग्स and the nerves going and traveling through your legs and feet. Continue. Five, four, three, two, one. Now exhale, release. And everyone lay down. Before you lay down, you can turn off the lights and the curtains ताकि आपको दोबारा उठना ना पड़े. इसके बाद हम सीधा योग निद्रा के लिए जाएंगे. So everyone, find a peaceful and comfortable space if you want to change the place where you are, जहाँ पे कोई distraction ना हो. And then move your knees in circular motion. We'll start with relaxing poses now. Aankhein band, massage your back here with this movement. Make big circles. 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your both heels beside your hip. आपके दोनों heel बिल्कुल hip के बगल में. Arms open beside your shoulder. Drop your both knees down to the left, then to your right. Make sure your both knees touches the ground. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. धीरे से वापस. Now, figure of eight pose. Place your right ankle over your left knee. Lift your left feet up. Interlace your palm around your thigh from under your knee and ankle. With exhale, bring your ankle and knee down close to your chest. Make sure your head is grounded while doing this. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Side change. Left ankle over your right knee. Lift your right feet up. Interlace your palm around your thigh. With exhale, bring your ankle and knee down close to your chest. Hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now grab your both feet from outer side. Press your thighs and knees beside your body and rock your body side to side. Massage your lower back and your spine. Continue deep breathing. लंबा गहरा श्वास. लंबा गहरा प्रश्वास. आंखें बंद. Allow yourself to move freely and enjoy this posture like a small baby. जैसे ही इसका नाम है आनंद बाल आसन, उसी प्रकार हम इसको आनंद पूर्वक करेंगे. 3, 4, and 5. Now hug your both knees. Pavan Muktasana. Lift your head up, round your back, and rock your body up and down. One, two, three, four, five. धीरे से वापस. And everyone lay down comfortably in Shavasana. Keep your arms wide open, palm facing up. Keep your feet wider than your hips and drop your toes naturally on the sides. Keep your arms away from the hips. Allow your armpit to breathe. Let your body sink into the ground. Rest your shoulders, your neck, your entire spine, legs, arms, hands, and feet. Completely relaxed. Breathe in and breathe out deeply without any efforts. And keep your eyes closed throughout the entire duration of this practice of Yoga Nidra. Make sure you are warm enough. If you feel any kind of tension at any part of your body, take your consciousness to that part and relax that part of you. Make any adjustments at this moment with very minimal movement here. Continue deep breathing. आंखें बंद. पूरा ध्यान आपका अपनी श्वासों की ओर. It is natural if your mind starts wandering here and there. Whenever that happens, come back to the sound of my voice. Now, we will begin the practice of Yoga Nidra. सबसे पहले हम अपने ध्यान को अंतरंग करेंगे. Internalization of our awareness. Become aware of the sounds around you. Any sound which can be heard by your ears without any efforts. Shift your attention from sound to sound. Start by focusing on the most distant sounds without labeling its source. Stay focused. Now, shift your attention to the sound of your breath, your natural breath, your spontaneous breath, which is flowing freely between your nostrils, in and out, without any efforts. Now, we will begin the systematic journey of this awareness throughout the body. Imagine as if you are scanning your body with the scanner of awareness and rotate your awareness to the part which I'll say name out. Okay. And you have to consciously that relax that part of you. We will begin with the right side. Rest and relax your right hand fingers, thumb, palm of your right hand, wrist, forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, right side of chest, right side of waist, right hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, entire right feet and toes. Moving to the left side, rest and relax your left hand, fingers, thumb, palm, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, left side of chest, left side of waist, left hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, entire left feet and toes. Moving to the back of the body, back of your soles, back of your feet, your ankles, back of your calves, back of your knee, thigh, hips, lower back, upper back, entire spine, both shoulder blades, back of your neck, head, top of your head, coming to the front, forehead, eyes, nostrils, cheeks, lips, jaw, throat, chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, entire pelvic region, the whole body, completely relaxed and still. Now, become aware of your breath. Breathe in and breathe out through the belly. As you inhale, your abdomen rises up. With exhale, it drops down. And now, with each breath, count backwards from 9 to 0. Breathe in, say 9 to yourself. Breathe out, repeat 9 again. Breathe in, say 8 to yourself. Breathe out, repeat 8 again. Continue this way, counting backwards till 0. If you lose the track of the count midway, then count again from 9. Stay focused. Now rest and relax completely. Visualize as if you are floating on the surface of water. Let your body completely melt down into the ground. Be free of the weight of the physical body और of any thought. पूरा ध्यान आपका अपनी श्वासों की ओर. Now, slowly bring your awareness to your physical body. Visualize the room in which you are present, your position on the ground, your body laying on the ground. Visualize yourself with closed eyes. The parts of your body which are touching the mat, your hands, legs, back, head. Visualize the other objects which are around you. Bring your awareness to the sounds around you, to the sound of your breath, to the sound of my voice. Now, when you are ready and when you are sure that you are fully awake, gently move your toes. बंद आंखों के साथ move your fingertips. Bend your knees one by one. There is no hurry when you are sure you are fully awake. Bend your knees. Keep your eyes closed. Stretch your both arms up over your head. Stretch your entire body. Now, roll to the left side using your left hand like a pillow. Spend a few moments here revisiting your practice, feeling safe, secure, calm, and peaceful. Continue deep breathing. When you are ready, slowly press yourself up from the ground and sit in any easy, comfortable posture. किसी भी आसान ध्यानात्मक आसन में बैठ जाएंगे. Bring your both palms at your heart center. दोनों हाथ नमस्कार मुद्रा में आंखें बंद ही रहेंगी. Now, to end our class on a positive note, together we will chant one time Om, then Maha Mrityunjay mantra. Breathe in. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव वन्देना मृत्योर्मोक्षि यमामृता. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Bow your head down towards your palm. Pranam Urasana by touching your forehead on ground. Bhumi Naman. Inhale slowly. Palm up. दोनों हाथों को अच्छे से रब करेंगे. Now, place your both palms over your eyes, your forehead, your neck, your chest, your lower back, and both thighs and knees. Namaskaram. Thank you everyone for joining in today. Tomorrow, I'll be taking a session on seed cycling for hormone balancing, especially for women's. So you can join it at 10:30 a.m. If you have any questions, you can ask now.
मैम आई वांट मेरा ना बेली फैट है, मुझे तो पेट के ये एक्सरसाइजेस कुछ आप कराते हैं।
ओके पूजा जी, जितनी भी एक्सरसाइजेस सूर्य नमस्कार हो गए, दैट वर्क्स ऑन योर ओवरऑल बॉडी. बाकी जो पेट का टारगेटेड होता है, दैट वी डू ऑन ट्यूसडेज. सो मेक श्योर टू जॉइन ऑन ट्यूसडे. ओके.
या आई एम कंटिन्यूअसली जॉइनिंग मैम।
ओके. सो जितनी भी एक्सरसाइजेज जो ट्यूसडे को होती हैं, यू कैन इंक्लूड दैट इन योर प्रैक्टिस पर्सनली टू.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
या. ओके.
बाय मैम।
Thank you,
थैंक यू मैम.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
ओके. थैंक यू
Bye-bye.
Excuse me,
एवरीवन.
ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम।
यस. यस.
Ma'am, what's the correct way to chant Om?
आ, जैसे उज्जयी प्राणायाम में भी मैं बताती हूँ. ओम इज डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. उ म. सो व्हेन यू चांट ओम, you chant it without a breaks, but with different syllable, with the correct pronunciation of different syllables. Like, I'll show you once, I'll chant once. You can observe carefully. Mm. O में the mouth is open fully. U में थोड़ा सा lips और close हो जाते हैं. म is with completely closed lips. ठीक है.
Hmm.
अ में पूरा open, ऊ में थोड़ा सा close, म में पूरा close.
Hmm.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. चलिए. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you.
थैंक
Bye.
Okay. Bye bye.